How well do you know your microwave? And how many of these microwave cooking hacks do you know?
You know when you reheat food in the microwave and some parts of it are hot enough to burn your mouth and the other part of it is frozen? Well, that happens because you shouldn't actually have your food in the middle of the plate here. It should be on the edge so it can actually
Really?
rotate around and cook evenly. If you want to save some time
Wow.
and cook two things at once, just add a mug in here for some height distribution. If you're going to reheat something like
I
pasta
know
or
this
pizza or
one.
something, add a small cup of water in there to keep it moisturized, but
Wow,
to
that's
stop it from
brilliant.
getting too chewy.
You can boil egg in the microwave. What? I didn't know that one. I didn't. Wow. What? Eh? So we can fry beef now in the microwave. Musa, I no go see forget. Huh? I know this one. Yes. Can steam my mixed veg in the microwave. Yeah. I know this one. Right from university days, actually. Yes, corn in the microwave. I know this one. Only legends will know this one. Ah, yeah, that's right. You can even add some butter once you take it out and then put it in again for like 30 seconds and let the butter melt. Yum.
It's not hard at all. Use your fingers or a kitchen towel to gently squeeze from the uncut end of the corn. The corn will pop right out clean as a whistle.
Oh, nice. Quick and easy.
Here's something you probably didn't know. You can actually poach chicken in the microwave. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true, and we learned this technique from the pros over at Milk
I
Street.
didn't know
Create a
that.
cornstarch slurry, then whisk in milk, oregano,
Okay.
salt, cumin, and garlic powder. Poke the
We
chicken
learn
and
every
coat it in the
day.
liquid, then cover and microwave on half power, flipping the chicken halfway through. Lowering the power is key here so the chicken cooks gently and stays nice and tender. Whisk cold butter into the poaching liquid to create a creamy emulsified sauce. And now for all the doubters out there, take a look at how juicy this chicken is when sliced.
Wow.
Serve this gorgeously poached chicken with rice sauce and a pop of green.
I know this one. I know this one.
Let me show you how I make my fufu in the microwave. So you will need a bowl, a turning stick, and the powder of
Yes, I always make this with my semo or poundo. Yes. I know of yeah. But do you know it? I know it.
out of the microwave and continue turning it. At this point, you can add water to it if you think your pounder needs water, or you can keep it as it is. If you do end up adding water, make sure to put it back in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Then after that, you can turn it one last time and your fufu is ready.
Here's how to make an amazing chocolate cake in the microwave, and you don't even need any eggs. Just whisk together plain flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder and baking powder until combined. Then add melted butter and warm water and whisk until smooth. Pour it into a microwavable dish, then microwave on medium until a toothpick comes out clean. I recommend checking it with 1 minute to go, then let it cool fully in the dish. Melt dark chocolate and double cream in the microwave and stir gently until smooth. Then pour it over the cooled cake and smooth it out to the edges. You could also top it with Nutella or any buttercream icing to make it your own.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but you don't need to turn your oven on just because you want a baked potato. I cooked my potatoes like this probably 4 times a week back in college. This was like the meal I survived on, and it's still my go-to method for cooking them whenever I'm craving a baked potato. That's right, we are just microwaving it. 4 minutes on high, flip it over, and do 4 more minutes. You save so much time and electricity, and it tastes just as good.
Oh, nice.
Did you know you can make homemade cotton candy in less than 3 minutes using only one ingredient? Add 3 Jolly Ranchers to a small glass bowl and microwave for
No,
30 seconds.
I
Once
did
melted,
not
dip a
know
straw
that.
in, then blow. The candy instantly puffs up into bubbles. Make sure to do this over parchment paper for easy cleanup, and if the candy starts to harden, simply reheat in the microwave for 10 seconds. Roll up the cotton candy
Wow.
with the straw and form with your hands. It's that
Yes,
easy.
girl.
Try it
I'm
and let
gonna
me
be
know what you
trying it
think, and
out.
follow for more
Yeah.
fun summer recipes.